The line number not received error on T-Mobile's fixed wireless or 5G home internet means your modem isn't properly activated on the network. This happens when the modem fails to receive its unique identifier, preventing internet access. This issue primarily stems from provisioning failures, where T-Mobile's network settings aren't correctly configured for your modem. This is typically due to signal interference, outdated firmware, or account setup mismatches. As of 2025, T-Mobile has streamlined its processes to address these failures, so you can resolve most cases quickly. To troubleshoot and fix the line number not received issue, start by power cycling your T-Mobile modem. Next, use the T-Mobile Internet app to check your line status and initiate a resync. This forces the modem to reestablish its connection with the network. Verify your account details and ensure the SIM card is correctly seated. According to T-Mobile's 2025 data, 75% of these issues are resolved via app-based resync, so this is the most effective first step. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for a forced provision.